Hello, my name is Amy, and today I'm going to be talking about the life cycle, and my lesson plan is intended for third graders. So my standards are my science standard is develop models to describe that organisms have unique and diverse life cycles, but all have in common birth, growth, reproduction, and death. And then for my English standard, it is report on a topic or text, tell a story, or recount an experience with appropriate facts and relevant descriptive details, speaking clearly at an understandable pace. And my objective is students will learn how living things grow and change over time. Assessment. The students will learn about the life cycle or the cycle of life and will incorporate their prior knowledge to create a cycle of life poster. So students will basically be asked to pick an animal, insect, or plant that they are familiar with, and they will insert their previous knowledge to show their life cycle. Just to start prepping the class, I would ask some questions to help them start thinking and to grab their attention. So some questions I would ask is, what is your favorite insect? What is your favorite animal? And what is your favorite plant? I believe these would be interesting questions to them, and I'd feel like they'd like to express their own opinions. And then right here I have a short video about animal and plant cycles for kids, and it's very descriptive. And then I have a few worksheets. They basically all do the same thing, but in a different way and different animal. So on the first one, they'd have to draw the little pictures that are right there into the boxes, and each box has a stage. So they have the first, second, third, and fourth stage, and they have to determine which drawing would go on which stage. The second one, so as you can see, we have 4 different boxes. We have 4 different drawings in each box. And then we have them labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically the student's going to have to label if they think it's the first stage, second stage, third stage, or fourth stage in the cycle. For example, for that first box, it would be stage 1. So the student will check mark it or fill it in however they like. And that's basically it for that one. And then for the third one, we have a similar one to the first one, but this time it is a chicken. So as you can see, we have the life cycle squares, and there's 4 of them. And then underneath we have 4 more squares with an egg, a chicken hatching, and then we have a chicken, and they have to show me where they would place it on the life cycle. And then I'd pick my favorite insect, which is a butterfly, and then I'd create my own life cycle so they can see how a butterfly's life cycle would be. So we have the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and the butterfly. And then right here I have a link. It has a few diagrams of other life cycles, other plants, of other insects. That would be a good use for the students if they were having problems. So the students will create their own life cycle using markers, construction paper, tissue paper, paper plates, crayons, glue, scissors. They'd have lots of options, and they're free to do whatever they'd like. Here's a few options. So, just to get them thinking, we have one with a plate, and we have some noodles. We have some sticks, some drawings, and little things that they can use to make their own life cycle. And then we'd have these presented either to a group or to their partner. So a few questions I would like them to discuss is, what did they like about this project? why did you choose that animal or plant? Which plant or animal would you choose next time and why? I believe these questions will have them engage with their partners. And then a few vocabulary words are cycle, life cycle, eggs, offspring, organism, embryo, metamorphosis, larvae, emerge, chrysalis, germination, sprout, radical, plant, and insect. And then we have a few task cards with questions here. So we have, what do plants start off as? Do animals come from eggs, life, birth, or both? What do all life cycles start with? What do all life cycles end with? And so on and so forth. And thank you.